Now here I am on warriorplus.com. This is a great site for finding affiliate products in the internet marketing niche and the make money online niche. So since I'm building a funnel that is related to making money online and I'm looking for something that has mass appeal for the general public, I would go to this site. This is my favorite site for finding products related to making money online. So if you want to look for products on here, you could just find the top products here on the home page, the top 10 products of the day, yesterday, last 7 days, and also the last 30 days. So let's click on that. Okay, but what I prefer is I like to go to affiliates, click on that, and click on offers. Okay, and then you're brought to a page with all the products, the top selling products. It's sorted by the top selling. I'm actually not sure how it's sorted here, but you could sort it out by sales, conversion rate, visitor value, and let's just go down here. There's about 5,000 results that you could go through and browse. Okay, by just looking at the top here, profit here, it was launched on July 22, so that would be last month. So it's not too old of an offer. Over 3,000 sales, conversion rate 15%, visitor value $3.69. So all these are good numbers, and I like the fact that it's not an old product. Refund rate is 3%. That's not bad as well. Okay, I could go down the list here, but let's just say I'm going to go with this offer here, profit here. Click on this. First, I'd have to try to learn more about it. Let's see what it says here. This is the affiliate page. So you click here to request approval. You can view the sales page here, and here's a quick description of the product. Make consistent 3+ figure daily profits and scale as high as you want without paid traffic or any tech skills. So this is something that I feel would be of interest to the general public and would have a mass appeal. Okay, so if I want any promotional tools, I would go to the JV page. Okay, and let's just click on this. Okay, I'm also going to view the sales page just to make sure it's something that I would want to promote and just to get an idea of what the angle is. So let's look at the headline here. It says bank an effortless $150 per day starting in as little as 24 hours from right now without paid traffic or any experience. So again, this looks like something that would have mass appeal. People who are looking to make money online and have no experience would probably be interested in a product such as this. It says here, fast, start making $150 per day. So who wouldn't be interested in making money online quickly? Okay, and it says friendly, zero experience or tech skills needed. So if I feel this is the product I'm going to go ahead and add to my funnel, I'm just going to go to the affiliate page here and click on request approval. Okay, and another thing too is you could also see all the products that are in this funnel that you're going to be promoting. Okay, you're getting 100% commissions on the front end, which is $12.94, and then you can see all these other offers that you can get paid commissions on. Okay, so not only does it have mass appeal, but it looks like it's something that I could get paid a lot of commissions on. So I'm going to go ahead and click on request approval.